If you've seen part 1 of the video, we talked about why the jeans twist. This one, we're gonna tell you our solution or how we're gonna fix it. So this jean, if I come over here, flip this up, you can see like how much difference there is in the length of the back panel from the front panel, and that's what's causing it to twist. So if we were to bring these even, it's going to start that twisting of the leg. So it's definitely a factory sewing issue that we're going to solve by taking out this much out of the leg. Then we're going to even that leg up, do the same thing, but this leg is going to be much easier if we're taking, just say, 1 3/4 out of this leg. We're gonna just from this leg take almost that same amount, but evenly. So before we start tapering, just make notes of the sides of the leg at the different points, so we can match that leg with this leg. We got this set up where it's flat, and even though it's like uneven and stuff, we got to start there, and then we got to make the corrections after. So right now we're just going to sew it, get the leg flattened out. All right, then we're gonna just take this right on across. I'm gonna start following this little blue line. I can see it, you might not be able to see it, but I know where we're at. Take a quick look. All right, so we got even leg openings. Okay, now we're gonna start working on evening out the inseam length, and we're gonna do a top stitch there before we do the final hemming at the bottom. Now we're just gonna press this inseam flat so we can do a top stitch on the inseam. And a top stitch goes on the front side of the leg, always on the front side of the leg. And these legs are roughly the same at this point here. So this front panel was a lot longer. Can't do anything about this line here because that's the leg that had the twist, so it's going to show a twist. This one is going to be pretty much balanced right. But what would you rather have? Rather have a jean that has a balanced leg that you can't wear because it's all twisted and bulky in the leg, or just a slight outseam turning to the inseam, turning towards the inseam? So I think the customer is going to be pretty happy with this jean here and how we fixed it. It's down to like a 14-inch leg opening now. That's where it should be. We're gonna cut these even, so this is gonna have a slightly strange looking hem because the line is gonna now be cutting across this. So we'll see how that turns out, but that, like a little washing, after some washing and stuff, it's gonna start re-aging, so that shouldn't be so bad. Gonna cut it as long as possible, try to save as much as we can from the hem. Making it straight. And so it's just going to be a little bit off. This measures exactly 33, so it's going to be a 32-inch inseam. So 33 here, just losing just a smidgen, really just barely enough to cut.